Pack my bags on island time, salt on my skin, that ocean shine. From Pohnpei to Kansas wind, chasing a map I never planned. North Carolina rolling green, tobacco fields and small town dreams. Then west I ran to the golden sun, California felt like a loaded gun. From Pohnpei to Tennessee, I've been running but it's all in me. Every mile, every state line sign, home in my heart the whole damn time. Now I'm rooted where these hills turn green, but the waves still call me in my sleep. Tennessee's where I lay my bones, but Pohnpei's my home. Pohnpei's my home. Back to Carolina, then I slipped away. Big Sky, Texas for a couple days. Then I turned around, same highway lines, back to Carolina one more time. Thought I'd outrun who I was, turns out I'm just sad in love. From Pohnpei to Tennessee, I've been running but it's all in me. Every mile, every state line sign, home in my heart the whole damn time. Now I'm rooted where these hills turn green, but the waves still call me in my sleep. Tennessee's where I lay my bones, but Pohnpei's my home. Pohnpei's my home, yeah, my first home. Two worlds in my worn out boots, palm trees, red clay, same deep roots. Sing my story in a southern drawl, but I still hear island rain when the night birds call.